to my channel. I'm excited you're here. I'm excited to bring you something brand spanking new that launches this week on the 18th of August, 2020. You're going to want this. This is a game changer for your lashes, by the way. It is called, this is it. This is the packaging for it. I love the packaging. I love the fact that it's got this twisted corner. Yeah. Then that's what it's called. It is Epic. It is Moodstruck Epic Twisted. Twisted. So, if you want to know how to get these gorgeous lashes that I have on right now, keep watching. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to say there are a couple of things you might want to do before you do your lashes. And basically, what I love to do is make something very neutral. This is one eyeshadow that's on my eyes. Yes, it is a liquid eyeshadow. It is available. It's a Younique brand. It's called Reverent. Isn't it beautiful? And it has a doe foot applicator. So it's really, really simple and easy to apply. You put it on your lid. And then I took just a crease brush like this. And I just blend it all the way up and out. And there you go. Very, very easy and simple. Then you might want to add a little bit of definition. You don't have to. You could actually tight line a little bit, or you could do a little bit on the top of your lid, maybe by just using a little bit of an eyeshadow. Maybe you don't want to use a liner. This is something really easy that you can do. You can take a brush just like this. This is a shader liner brush from Younique, but you could use this end here. You could dip it into the dark color, which this is black. This is Legendary. And you can use anything you want. You could use brown. It doesn't matter. And just basically go right along the line of your lashes just to add a little bit of depth. Now, if you want to, you can spray this with a little bit of rose water or setting spray, and that will give you more power of it staying, which is something I would probably recommend you doing, especially if you live in a hot state like I do, like Alabama. You know, things tend to melt away. But setting spray is really great. So I want to show you the difference though that this can make just by applying that little bit. See how it gives your eye a little bit more depth? And that's what we're asking for. A little bit more. Because mascara, when you put your mascara on, I'm going to do one eye at a time so that you can see the difference. This is a brand new mascara and it's fabulous. And it's coming out on August 18th, like I said. And there we go. Look at that. So you can also do under here if you wish. You could do a tight line under here. I don't usually do that. So I do like to put it though right across this area here. Just like that. Now, this is the game changer I was talking about. This is a brand new product. It is an Epic mascara. It does have like 2 wands in it, and I'll show you the wands in just a second. It has keratin in it, which helps slow down and prevent breakage of your lashes. It also has argan oil in it. And I'm trying to think what argan oil helps to condition your lashes as well. And it also has wax and polymers in it, which helps strengthen and build volume and length. And then biotin helps the hair grow. It has biotin in it as well. I'm trying to remember all these things. There's a lot going on in this little container here. So let me show you the wand. The wands are, I've never seen a product like this ever. This is a skinny wand. This one, we have a lot, you know, every 100 days, you start having new growth here in your lashes. And so those little bitty tiny ones that are still baby, I call them baby lashes, this helps to bring those out, and it helps to make them longer. You can actually get to them because this wand is so tiny. Loving that. And then this wand here, yeah, you got a second wand. That is the coolest wand ever. Now that does not have fibers on it. That is, I think they said it was like a synthetic type brush, but wow, look at that. So this one actually helps to create the volume and the length. This other one grabs every little bitty tiny one, separates them perfectly. So we're about to get started with this precious. I love it. Now, if you order this, this comes out on August 18th, and that's what, in a couple of days from this video. But let me just say, you can either start, you'll just have to try. It's trial and error. I kind of like starting with the small wand, and then I like doing the bigger wand. That's what I did last night. Now, I'm going to keep trying different things with it to see, but I just wanted you to see how great this product was, because if you want to grab it, you need to grab it on the 18th. Now let's do the small one first. Now I'm going to do this eye first. I'm going to do my right eye first. Eee, that's such a baby wand. How cool is this? How cool is this? All right, I'm going to set that down because I want to get up close to you. Now, I'm going to use my mirror here. Always look down into your mirror. That way you're going to be less likely to get the product on your lid or on your nose. I get it on my nose sometimes. It's just habit, not paying attention to what I'm doing. So what you want to do is start right at the base and start just pushing this wand right up, and you're going to see how fabulous this will separate your little lashes. And see, I'm getting right at the base, so it's grabbing all that new little hair growth. I went and actually looked at my lashes. I got the magnifying side of this, and they're like little bitty tiny lashes that are coming back in. So we do lose the lashes. So we have another product called Esteem Lash Serum, and it's awesome. It kind of helps prevent you from losing your lashes. Keeps them in there, baby. And that's the whole point. You're going to constantly be shedding them, just like we do our hair, our regular hair. But see how tiny this brush can get right up in there? I'm trying to get up close so you can see it. I mean, literally, I could probably just wear this alone and not even add the other brush. I love how you can kind of fan out the ends here with this tiny, tiny brush. Look at that. Wee girls. The game changer. Now this is going to be really, as you see, I haven't even put it back in the wand. I mean, I haven't even put it back in here, the wand back in here yet to get any more. Now you can do the bottom lashes if you wish. I don't really like to do the bottom lashes that much, but with this little tiny brush, it sure does make it easier. Oh, I like that. Now I'm going to put it back in here one more time, bring it back out, kind of wipe off any excess on the end. And then I'm going to do this one more time and see if I can coat each and every lash and get them all separated perfectly. You know how it is when you first get something new, you're kind of slow with it. You're trying it out. You're trying to figure out the best way to do it. And like I said, you can always try using the bigger one first and then coming back. But I think what I'm going to do is use this one first. I'm going to use this one second, the bigger wand. And oh my goodness, I love how that's shaped. It's got a very cool shape to it. It looks like they're kind of separated. Can you see that? The little separation parts in there, right in the middle and the end. Now, with this, I'm going to concentrate it more on the tips. Let's do that first. Let's do it on the tips first. And see how it does with the tips. And I'm going to kind of press it and I like to roll the wand. Oh my goodness, this is really nice. It's a different kind of wand though. And I will probably come back and use the smaller wand to separate again. So I like this. This is such a cool concept. Wow. Let's get it going, girl. Let's get that baby going. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Because I don't want it to be clumpy, and it doesn't look like this wand is going to allow that. So that is interesting, too. Because from what I read, it's not supposed to clump. Don't look like it's clumping to me, does it to you? I want to work on this inner corner right here. The little inner corner. Let me bring it in here because, you know, this is only the second time I've tried this. I love trying it with you because it challenges me a little bit more. Isn't it pretty though? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. They're so separated beautifully. They almost look like falsies. I think the key is the brushes. It's the brushes. Okay, I'm going to let that dry just a second and I'll be right back and we'll pull out that little wand again. Okay, so I've done the other eye. Let me get up really close so you can see. How beautiful is that? It actually seems like it curls your lashes too, because guess what? I did not use these. I didn't do it. I wanted to try it without it. I wanted to see how that little wand, that little baby wand is incredible. It really separates your lashes. And then coming back and doing the tips part. I mean, look at that. Wow. Game changer. So this is going to be available August the 18th. It's 2020. And I'll put everything in the description box below. And you will be able to grab you some of this on that day. I think it goes online at 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. So you have to figure out what time zone you're in. Mine, that means for me it will be 8 o'clock because I'm Central Standard. So wow, that is so pretty. All right, I think you guys should at least think about trying it and telling me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about it now. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, not. I'm telling you, I can't get over. I can't stop looking at it. So just keep in mind that this is going to be good for your lashes. It's going to be good for you. And us older ladies, we need something good. We do. We need something really, really good. And Younique has a lot of, I got some on my face. Younique has a lot of new products coming out this year. So stay tuned. I'll be bringing you all of those too. So please like and share if you think this might be of value to someone else, and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for always, being here. I'm only on here on Sundays, like I always say, but my time with you is time well spent, my friends. You ever come to Alabama, say hello, okay? Wow, I'm going to do this one more time. Look at that. I may tell you what, the one thing I love the most is how it fans out. How it fans out here. That little brush is key. It's amazing. So, let me know what you think, and I will see you back here on next Sunday, and I'll bring you something else, maybe fun to do. All right, guys, y'all have a great day.